Choline, 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 choline. I'm down here in a corner. Can't carry a tune in a bucket, but you're going to remember that we learned about choline today. I think that's how you say it. Choline? Choline? Anyway, this episode's brought to you by Unity College. Animal Nutrition. You ready to learn? Me too. Let's go. What is it? Well, it is neither a vitamin nor a mineral. And Professor, before you get upset, it is grouped often with the vitamin B complex because of its similarities. So, we're close. We're so close. Choline is an organic water soluble compound, meaning it can dissolve in water. And here you have its molecular structure, and over here is its formula. What are the signs? What are the symptoms? Some of these are only visible with medical testing. If your dog is showing any of the symptoms we are about to discuss, it still could require further testing for diagnosis because it mimics liver disease. So, what are they? Sudden weight loss, vomiting, liver dysfunction, there's that word again, bleeding tissue. And all those sounded really bad, and I know you wanted a picture. We're going with a hungover dog because everyone appreciates a laugh. Guys, come on. It's funny. Well, not the dog being hungover, but this picture is cute. Toxicity. They did a study. Rest in peace to those beagles. Um, they said that choline does not cause any toxic effects under, I understand, chosen experimental conditions, but I did see that it's pretty hard to overdose your dog on it. So it's pretty much non-existent, the toxicity of it. What are its natural sources? Salmon, eggs, broccoli, beans, and it can come in tablets. I read somewhere peas. My recommended mitigation method. I am not a vet. This is what I would do. I am not a vet though. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this, more specifically for your dog, you should please go see your vet. Um, Make sure the dog gets enough choline. I read that dogs who have a kibble diet, aka dry food, you don't have to worry about their intake. It's predominantly provided in the kibble, unless you feed your dog a raw diet in which it may be lacking choline. Um, High quality dog food is a great start. You can read the ingredients on the back of the bag. Um, you could always add choline rich foods or some flaxseed. Again, talk to your vet if you're concerned. I'm not a vet. Honorable mentions! I like these. Anyway, choline is a necessary component of the phospholipid cell membrane. It supports healthy brain and liver function. Maybe I should get some choline. Anyway, is occasionally used as a part of a treatment plan for pets with epilepsy. It can help treat and prevent doggy dementia. Choline produces. I've done this video 5 times and I still can't say that word. Acetylcholine. This one right here. It's a nerve transmitter and it's a major one. It helps control cell growth. Choline is mostly prescribed for older dogs to reduce the incidence of cognitive disorder or to treat dogs with existing cognitive disorder. I know I'm covering it up down here, but I just read it to you, so we're good, guys. We're good. Here are your sources. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This right here is a part of that one. So, thanks for stopping by.